Making money off of YouTube.
You making a video?
Yep.
Put that in it.
You gotta be in the sun, well, the light.
Remove that.
Come on, bro.
On the couch.
$50.
Yeah.
Yo. Get up. Huh? Come on, bro. Huh?
You're a skunk.
Maria.
You see it, right?
Yeah. Maria, dude.
You don't see that skunk? No, honey. You don't see her smoking on her own.
You did say it. Shut.
Y'all switching up.
What the fuck is that right now? I don't know, fucking Roshi.
Reggie.
Karen got some weed.
Who, Kaylon? Tell Kaylon to come through. Oh, pussy.
Yeah, we back in the house gonna get warm. Just like 5 more minutes.
Tell Kaylon to come through.
Huh?
Tell Kaylon to come through.
Yeah, she coming to meet him at Bravo in June.
He coming all the way over here?
Huh?
He coming all the way over
He's
here?
close there already. We just told me to meet him.
So he coming over here? That's what I'm asking you?
Yeah.
Alright.
That's why I said just let me get 5 minutes in the house and then we out. Let's go meet him. Yeah, let's go. Come back over here.
Yeah. I already told you I'm not smoking. Put that in the cut. No, you save roaches.
Show that shit.
Hey, kitty.
Fuck a cat. Put it out. Put it in my back pocket. Now if my ass catch on fire, we fighting.